intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Tamara here with another video, guys, and this time it's a unboxing video. So I've been going through a lot of struggles with ring lights. I have bought like 3 different ring lights ever since I started YouTube, and none of them is good, guys. Nothing. Like, I'm just so tired of buying ring light now. So I went on YouTube and I did some research on this specific ring light. I saw a lot of nice, really good reviews, so I decided, okay, I'm gonna try it because I'm so tired of buying ring light. And yes, ring light do cost some money, so I decided to try the NEEWER ring light, and I bought it. So I bought it for a while now actually, but because I haven't been making a video for a while, I haven't unboxed it as yet, so I decided to do a unboxing video, which I'm sure all of you guys are interested in unboxing videos because I love unboxing videos. So I'm like, why not share it with you guys? So I have a bunch of different ring lights. This is a 18-inch. I don't know what the brand is, but I bought these here in Jamaica and they only lasted for a week, guys. 1 week. And I'm just so tired. See what I'm talking about? This thing is all over the place. It's in pieces. So I decided to go ahead on YouTube and Amazon and buy this famous ring light that I saw a lot of good reviews about. And whenever I go to like a makeup artist and so, they actually do use that specific ring light. So I'm like, okay, maybe this is a good ring light. So I'm gonna go ahead and purchase it. And I bought that ring light for, I think it was $80 something. It's there's some that cost a lot more, but like this specific seller, or maybe I got it on discount, I don't know, because I use Prime, so I don't know, but I got it for maybe $86.99, I think. But I'll put the link of the specific ring light that I bought in the description below, guys, so go ahead and check that out. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this ring light. Okay, so this is how the ring light came, guys, in this big box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. Like, I'm pretty excited. I'm really excited about this ring light because I'm like, finally I have a okay, so it's in a second box. So this is it. This is like to cushion the ring light so it doesn't get damaged. All right.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your.
So this is the light stand. Yes, and then it came into this bag. You see that? So NEEWER ring light, and this is a really bag. This is actually cool, so you guys can actually take your ring light wherever you're going. So if you need to do your videos and you need your ring lights, it comes in really nice bag, so you guys can definitely bring your ring light in this. And here is the stand in another box. So let's go ahead and open and see what's going on here. I'm actually pretty excited. Okay. Okay. The back quality is really good too. Wow, this is really big. Wow. This is huge, guys. This is really big. This is a really big light, actually. I think this is a inches. I think I bought a 18 inches or maybe a little bigger. Alright, so this is inside the bag. Bag is really cool actually. And then here you have the box with the accessories. So let's see. Let's put this baby together. Alright, in this box we have, I guess you would call these like the cover for the ring light. So you have like a clear and a orange looking one, so you can get natural brighter to darker lights, I guess. So this is this. So these go around the ring lights, and then you get the charging port. You got like a phone, the thing for your phone to attach your phone to this, to the ring light. You also get a remote to operate the ring light. All right, so all right, let's fix this up. Okay guys, so I finally get the face on. That was a little struggle because apparently they're supposed to go like a specific part on the ring light, so that was a little struggle, but yes, I get it done. And these are actually like if you want to change the light, if this light is too bright but you want a little more of a natural light, then you change it to this shade. So which is good, you have options, which is really good. All right, so let's go for the stand.
All this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar.
Oh my god guys, this is well, it's not hard, but because the first time I'm doing it, it seems so hard, but it's not hard, trust me, it's not hard. So I'm gonna attach here to here. Well, that's what the book said. So it's coming along, it's coming along. This baby is coming along. All right, so it said I should attach this part around the back, slide it on. Okay, so I guess this is for the phone. Then I'm gonna attach here to here. Listen, it's coming on, okay? It's coming on. Oh, I figure it out. So you put it on, then you screw this down. So then it keeps it steady. Figure that part out. Okay, let me show you guys. So on the back here, I'm gonna put it right here. Like that. And I'm going to screw it down tightly. So keep it firm and steady. Yeah. Woo. Good. All right. So now we are going to tighten this part so this can stay firm. So let's screw it down. I don't need a man. I can do it myself. See that? All right. Yes. I got the grip of it. Okay. All right. So this is it. So let's see. Here's the charging. Here's the charging port. So let's see where this goes now. This is actually sturdy. Alright guys, so I think I complete setting up this ring light. So let's go ahead and plug it in and see what this baby can do, okay? I'm actually pretty excited. Are you excited? I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Okay, so it is plugged in. So how do I operate this thing now? All right, so this is the little remote that it came with. So maybe this one I need to, but this is a camera. Let's use battery. Oh, this is on. There's nothing coming on. How do you turn it on? Oh Jesus, how do you turn it on? Oh my God, how do you switch it on? Oh! I figured it out! This is how you switch it on. So there's a little thing underneath here, you just twist it. And then this is like for the remote for taking pictures and stuff like that. So you connect it to your phone, I guess. So yeah. So, wow. This is, okay, let me take this one off. All right. So this is it. Let's go up some more. Oh my God, guys. That was a shock just now. Okay, let's switch it up and see what else it has to offer. Okay, that's off. Wait, oh, you can dim it actually. Look at that. So that's off. Then you can slowly move it, and that's that. So you can dim it. You can dim it. So here's go getting brighter and brighter. And wow, guys, I don't need nothing more than this. I don't need. This is so bright. Wow. You guys can you guys see that? Let me just put it out. Can you guys see how bright this ring light is? Oh my God, this is amazing. So if you want a little more natural light, then you change the lens to these ones. Yeah. I see. But I'm not gonna do that in this video, guys. So, but you get the point. If you want a little more natural light, you just change the lens and you're good to go. The lens is shell, whatever they call that, and you're good to go. But this is amazing. Okay, let's put my phone on it. Okay guys, so my phone is on it. All right, And let's change it up. So okay, so I can do, this is no light. All right, this is no light. So let's switch it on and then dim, change it up, getting brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter. This is amazing. This is actually really cool. It's so dark in the house actually, so of course you guys can see me, right? This is actually really cool. I really love this. It's so big. Oh my god. And it's not heavy. It's really lightweighted, guys. So don't worry yourself about bringing this big ring light along with you. It is not heavy. It's really lightweighted, which is really cool. That's selection. Actually, that's really good, because like you don't want to be struggling with this heavy ass ring light. So that's really good. Oh. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. I love it. It looks okay. It looks amazing, guys. Okay, not to mention you have your ring light bag, so of course it has a strap here, so you can actually bring it on, hold it like this, or you can put it on your shoulder. It's adjustable for your shoulder. So yeah, right. See? So guys, I went and found the correct pricing that I paid for the ring light, and it was $89.99. Yes, I think this ring light really worth it, because the other two that I have, well, which I have three, but a smaller one, but the two that I showed you guys, I paid $8,500 per ring light for those, and the $89.99 is just a little bit more than that. So that's what I paid for this ring light. And the size is 18 inches. It is a 18-inch ring light, really big. I think this is all I need to do my YouTube channel, and I can bring it anywhere I'm going. So that's a yay. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed, guys, please go ahead and do so. All right, and I will see you guys in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this video was very helpful. All right, bye.